With the number of gadgets and other items like bags and keys you juggle around the whole day through, if you don't frequently misplace something, you are quite a superhero. In case you do end up misplacing something though, we can wholly commiserate with the pain it can cause. Apart from the monetary value of the item itself, there is the personal attachment you develop with it, not to mention the important data in your lost tablet or tons of stuff stashed in your lost purse. Thankfully, if technology has increased the number of items we carried around, it has also given us the means to keep track of them. We are covering one of these efficient tracking devices today, which advertises itself as the world's best-selling Bluetooth tracker.
Here we go!
The TileMate Bluetooth tracker, which is compatible with a wide range of Apple and Android smartphones and tablets, can be hooked onto your keys, luggage, bags, or anything else you never want to lose. You also get TileMate adhesives separately in the market, which can be used to stick the tile to any flat surface. Once attached, you can use your phone to make your TileMate ring with a powerful sound when it's nearby, but out of sight. If the device is within Bluetooth range, it will play a loud tune until you find it. The Tile app also automatically records the last time and place it saw your item, so if you left it somewhere but can't recall it, it can tell you where to look first. And if you can't find your phone itself, simply double press the button on the TileMate and make your phone ring, even when it's on silent. The Bluetooth range is perfect for finding items in a short to medium range. For the longer range, the high sales number of the TileMate tracker play a role. With over 5 million devices sold, the TileMate community is the world's largest lost and found network, whom you can ask anonymously to help locate your lost item. This version of the TileMate tracker is 25% smaller than the older devices, measuring just 1.3 by 1.3 by 0.2 inches and weighing only 0.16 ounces. This makes it even easier to attach it to any item. The tiles are meant to make life less stressful. With that in mind, its non-replaceable battery lasts for 1 year with zero charging required. After a year, you can replace your old tiles with new ones for a special community member price. Over 7,000 customers have chipped in with their reviews of the TileMate tracker, which supports the claim of high sales for the device. The average score of 4 on 5 is quite impressive too. Some users seem to mind the 1-year replacement system, but the very affordable price and the exemplary service has won over most other customers. That's all we have for now on the TileMate Bluetooth tracker. Check out the description below for links to some of the lowest prices on the web for this gadget. Looking for something else? Take a look at our other reviews of smartphone trackers here on Next Tech Review. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button.